Outdoor Racing. Today we're going to be talking about how to put together a 777 performance bumper. First thing you're going to do is put on the chin spoiler I have right here, and I've kind of mocked up some stuff on that side, but we're going to walk through on how to put it together and get it going. And yes, we're going to put a splitter on it. Hey Royals, in addition to the bumper and all the pieces that you get, there's about 13 pieces. You're going to get a little checklist. And the checklist will tell you, the front fascia, the bumper cover, turn signal inserts, the lateral vents, side grooves, upper groove, lower groove, your hockey stick inserts, your chin spoiler, your vertical canards, your vertical canard bases, your side groove supports, hardware bag, and your supply decals. Alright, so what you're going to do is put this chin spoiler, and there's actually like little push pin or push tabs you're going to use to guide you all the way along the bottom. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so after we put on the chin spoiler, what we're going to do is we're going to put in these. These are what they call the hockey inserts. It's going to go right in here. And the same thing, you're just going to follow along the pull tabs, like so, and click them in. Let's get to it. Alright, so after you pop in all the tabs here, what you're going to do is want to put a screw right in here. It's going to be one of these. I would advise you to take the hardware packet and separate them into all the different components so you kind of know what you're going to be using everything for. And it'll help you stay organized. So this screw is going to go right here, and that's the last thing you need for this hockey insert, and then we're going to do the other side. Quiet on set! Is that recording? Yeah. I'm gonna put it in the background. Alright, so after you put in the hockey insert and the chin spoiler, you're gonna put in the turn signal insert. Same thing, you're gonna follow along. Same thing, you're gonna follow along the same push and pull tabs. And then just snap right in. Okay, stop recording. So you're gonna take the base of the vertical canard and you're gonna slide it underneath. You come around this side. You come around this side, you're gonna match these two holes to match these, and there's a hole over there you're gonna match like so. You're gonna repeat the same thing on the right side of the bumper. Just to reiterate, there are 3 bolts you're gonna have to put. One here, one here, one here, and the same on the other side. 2 on the back, 1 on the front. Once you attach this here, you're gonna wanna not drop your canard. All right, so next you're gonna put the vertical canard. So you've got some bolts here, or some holes here, sorry. You're gonna put the screws in right through the bottom. You're gonna fit them in like so. Now be mindful of making them not too tight just yet, because you still have to fit the screw in over here. And there's actually a spot down here where it connects with the hockey. So you're gonna line the holes up and go from there. After you attach the canard, you're gonna wanna make sure you put this screw in here and screw it in. Alright, so what you're going to do for the grill insert, what you have to do is make sure you put the screw right in here, and you're going to take a nut and bolt and place it right through here. Once you attach it, you'll be able to mount it in from behind. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to take this, after you mount it here and here, you're going to pull it right on the back and push in the tabs into place. Done. After you have each of the grills on the side put in, you're going to want to put in the top and bottom. Now before you do that, make sure you put on the bumper cover, because each of the little tab holes correlate to the bumper cover and the actual bumper. So this one up top, this one on the bottom. Performance Bumper. Guys, just want to let you know that at this shop, we're actually going to be housing some of these bumpers for y'all to pick up easily. Additionally, if you wear a Strictly Road Racing shirt, hat, hoodie, or any type of merch, when you come to your appointment, you'll receive 10% off your entire service. Again, if you just wear any of our merch to your appointment here at the shop, you'll receive 10% off your service. Catch us on our next video. Thank you and earn your crown.